In this video, you'll learn how to use Google Search to find the information you're looking for. Google.com has a search bar in the center of the page. You will search for a venue for your celebration by clicking on the search bar next to the magnifying glass and typing the words you want to search for. The words you use are called your search query. Then press Enter or Return. Google Search will take the words you use in your query and match them with keywords on web pages all across the internet. When you search, be as specific as possible with the words you choose. By being specific, clear, and simple in your search, you allow Google to deliver the most accurate search results. You can leave off the little words like and or the. In this lesson, you are searching for a location where you can hold a celebration. You can start by writing the name of your city or town, then the words event space or venue. Or, if you know you want to hold your event in a particular type of space, like a park or a restaurant, type that in too. If you live in a large city, you can search for your specific neighborhood. Try to use the correct spelling when you search. But if you do spell something incorrectly, Google will suggest the correct spelling. After you type in your search query, press Enter or Return to perform your search. Now it's your turn. Type in your search query and press Enter or Return. Then, click Next to watch the next video.